Hey guys, it's Mahogany. I'm back again with another video, and as you guys can see, I just filmed a video with this exact same outfit on, so don't judge me. I'm trying to do 2 videos in one day today, so yeah. So today I'm back with a new video on how I make thousands of dollars selling my new and used items. So if you guys are interested in how I make this money, then keep on watching. So I came across some websites about 2 years ago. Yeah, about 2 years ago, because I was interested in selling one of my items that I did no longer want or use. So I came across this website called Tradety.com. Now, Tradety is a website that you take pictures of your items. Your items have to be 100% authentic, and they do authenticate it with the pictures that you upload on the website. So all you do is basically take pictures of your items, upload them. You pick whatever price that you want. They give you a list of a price that they suggest, but if you don't want that price, you don't have to use it. You don't have to go with the price that they give you. You can make it to whatever price you want it to be. So it's very simple. All you do is upload a picture of your item. I think it's like 3 to 4 pictures, or some websites you could upload as many pictures as you want, but I think it's usually about 4 or 5, that they would suggest that you post. So you take pictures of your item, you upload them, you put the price, you put the description, the condition that it's in, the retail price, the price that you're selling it for, the color, all that stuff. You upload it, boom, you wait for somebody to buy it. Of course, you have to connect your bank account with the website that you're using to sell your items, and that's how you get paid, okay? Very simple, very easy. So when I first started, I was interested in selling my Louis Vuitton Damier Azur Speedy. I'll insert a picture with that bag. I got it a long time ago, and I didn't want it anymore, and I sold it for about $400 or $500, and I used it to purchase something else, and I purchased my Givenchy Antigona. But I'm going to be doing a what's in my bag video on that later on. But yeah, so I wanted to sell that and use the money that I got from selling my Speedy and put it towards buying my Givenchy bag, okay? So that's why I wanted to sell that. But I've also sold plenty of other items, but that was my main thing that I was interested in selling. But I also sold plenty of other items. I'm going to go on the Tradety website and tell you guys the stuff that I sold, because I honestly don't remember. Let's see. So I sold a pair of G-Star jeans. I sold a Michael Kors little wristlet thing. My Louis Vuitton bag. What else? I sold my Burberry sneakers. I sold a pair of Gucci sandals. So that's all you have to do. It's very simple, very self-explanatory. You just take pictures of your items, you upload them, set the price that you want, wait for a buyer. So I've been using Tradety for a while, but I came across 2 new other apps that I like, which are Poshmark and Mercari. Now, I haven't been using Tradety anymore. I put Tradety on the back burner because although I like Tradety, it's very legit. You call them, they have great customer service. My only problem with Tradety is that they take too fucking long to give you your money. Now, when I first started using Tradety, like literally like the first month, 3 months, I used to get my money like this. And another thing that I don't like about Tradety is that the percentage rate is super high. They take out about 20% of your earnings, which is pretty high to me. So that's why I've moved over to Poshmark and Mercari. Now, I've only sold, I think, 1 or 2 items on Poshmark, and I've sold a couple of things on Mercari so far, maybe about 3 or 4 items. But I like to sell little stuff. Like, I want to sell my Tory Burch sneakers. Like, I like to sell a little bit of stuff just so I could get my money, and then whatever I get from selling that, I like to just use it to buy something else. So in total on Tradety, I made about $2,000. And I know you guys are probably like, wow, that's a lot of money. But I made that in the course of like 2-3 years. I think I started using it in 2015. And that's how much I've made so far on the app. And I'm going to screenshot it so you guys can see. Yeah. I'm going to insert this picture though on the screen as well. But yeah, I made about a little over $2,000 using Tradety, but I'm not going to be using Tradety anymore. I'm going to be using only Mercari and Poshmark because you get your money super quick with Poshmark and Mercari. I actually like them way better. Their customer service is great, although Tradety customer service is great as well, but I just personally like Poshmark and Mercari better because obviously I get my money faster. And I like the way theirs is set up because basically with Poshmark and Mercari, whenever you sell your item, the person who receives it, obviously the buyer, they have to rate you. They give you a rating 1 to 5. After they rate you, boom, they release your funds. With Tradety, they make you wait 4 days, although they say 4 days, but it's really more than 4 days. They make you wait 4 days to give the buyer some time to return it. They have like a 4-day return span, and then after the 4 days they release your funds. But within the last couple months for me, it's been taking me about 2-3 weeks to get my money. Like, I recently just sold my Ferragamo belt on Tradesy, and it took me about 3 weeks to get my money, and they didn't even release the money to me. I had to call them and tell them, like, yo, like, where's my money at? And they released it right away. Like, I don't know what's going on with that, but to me personally, that takes too long. I'm the type of person, I like my money immediately. I sold my item. They got the item. They obviously ain't returning the item because they would have sent the return request, so give me my money. So if you guys are interested in selling your items, I recommend that you use Mercari or Poshmark. Also, besides the fact that you get your money right away, they have a lower sales rate. So I think Mercari takes out only 10%, which is great. And I think Poshmark takes a little bit more than 10%, maybe about 12 or 13, but that's still better than 20. So I just wanted to come on here and tell you guys how I make my money on selling my items online. If you guys are interested, then I will leave the links to Mercari, Tradesy, and Poshmark in the description box. It's super easy. Upload your items, take pics, put your price, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So if you guys have any new or used items that you want to sell, I will list the websites down below for Tradesy, Poshmark, and Mercari. And also, your items have to be authentic. Don't go on there and try to sell no fake shit, because they will delete your item, okay? If you try to go up there and list some fake shit, they will delete the whole listing. And if you sell something fake and you the buyer knows that it's fake, they will delete your whole account. So don't go on there and try to sell no fake shit. If it's fake, then just, you know, give it away or something. Don't try to sell no fake shit, because your account's gonna get deleted. Just want to throw that out there. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys have any questions or comments regarding how to sell your items, then definitely comment them down below. I will try to respond to everything as much as I can. If I left anything out, comment it down below if you have any other questions, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.